Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Todd with TW Home Show. That stands for Todd's World Home Show. You're on the right channel if you like reviews, cars, gadgets, stuff like that, landscaping. I do a little bit of it all, so you're on the right channel. Please subscribe. If you like this video here, give me a thumbs up. Anyway, I said to myself I wasn't going to do any more smart outlets like this one. You can watch the review on this one above here. I'll leave the link. But anyway, something came up and this company sent me something where I've run into before with a problem. I'll have two of these doubled up on a wall outlet switch and I've run out of room. Then I can't plug anything else in there. But now this has come. Surge Protector Power Strip by WHESWELL. Wait, cut. Wrong theme music. So guys, this comes with, what is it, 4 outlets, each individually switchable with Alexa or Google Home, so you can talk to it and tell them to go on or off by assigning it 4 different names. Also, you'll see here at the end, there's USB charging ports. Those also are switchable all together as one unit. So you switch them all on or all off. But it works with Alexa, very good. And I'm going to show you here shortly how that works. It's got the long 6-foot cord, plenty of cord for you to stretch this out behind your entertainment center or behind your computer desk, where you might have lots of items that you may want to switch on or off at different times. And now you don't have to go for the switch or the remote control. Just, tell it to switch on or off with your Alexa device. Stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, this is your WHESWELL Smart Power Strip. We'll get to the basics here first. You've got 4 charging USB ports and 4 grounded outlets. These are all switchable by voice command with your Alexa or Google Home device. Here's a manual power switch. When they're all on, you'll see the LED indicators. That's telling you all these switches are on at the moment. This is the Smart app. This is named Outlet Strip, and it's named Smart Life. That's the app. And we've got one thing installed, and that's the Outlet Strip. If you go in there, these are the names. You can edit these names to be whatever you like, and you can manually control this device. Now they're off. Now they're all on. Now if we want to turn switch 1 off, just press this button here, and switch 1, see that LED light is turned off. Now we'll test it with a real lamp here. Plug it in, and that's on. So first we'll test out the whole strip, turning it off and on with Alexa. Echo, turn off outlet strip.
Okay.
Lights off. Everything's turned off.
Few things share that name.
Echo, stop. Now, let's see. This one is switch 4. Echo, turn on switch 4.
Okay.
Works very well, as you see here. All the other outlets are off. Echo, turn on switch 2.
Okay.
Echo, turn off switch 4.
Okay.
All right. So it really works well, guys. I recommend this, highly recommend it for behind entertainment centers or behind a couch where you have several lamps hooked up to it. Instead of buying the single units, you can buy a strip like this. You can charge your phone if you have it behind a couch, have a USB cord coming out of there. So guys, what did you think about this WHESWELL power strip? The things I like about it: it's got a long 6-foot cord. You've got multiple smart switches built into one unit. You can also charge up your USB devices. And this cost about 2 times the price of one of these outlets here. So it's like buying 2 of these in cost, but you're getting 4 switchable outlets. If you like this product, please hit the like button below. I'll leave the link in the description below on where to purchase this device, as well as one of these single devices. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Oh, it's on tonight. Throw that thing from left, right, side to side. Yeah. All my friends are here. Play my favorite song right on top. Yeah.